Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm Billy.
And I'm Sean.
We're
Free to roam.
This week we're going to review a product that a company reached out to us and asked us if we would review. We're going to give you a quick unboxing and a review of this product and let us know what you think. So check out the video.
Rolling down the highway in our old fifth wheel. Free2Roam is where we find what's real. With the wind at our backs and the stars up high, life's a grand adventure, just you and I. We served our country, wore the blue and gold. Now we're living a dream with stories to be told. Each mile we conquer brings us hearts anew. Patriotic spirit shining right on through. Free to roam, ooh, oh, can't you see the beauty of this land? It's where we're meant to be. From coast to coast, let the good times roll. In our Alliance paradigm, we're free in our soul.
We had the opportunity to do a product review on an item that I think you're going to find pretty cool.
So Sean, who reached out to us this time and what are we going to be reviewing?
It's made by Evapolar and it is a personal air cooler.
Yeah, so we're going to unbox it, talk a little bit about what its selling points are and why it might be interesting to try, and then we're going to try it out and let you guys know.
The good folks at Evapolar reached out to us and wanted us to try out one of their mini air conditioner units. Now, it's pretty cool because it runs on USB power. It's supposed to do a really good job at cooling a small space like an RV bedroom or an RV in general. We are going to do the unboxing here in just a second. I'll show you what's in the package and we'll get this thing going and see how effective it is. Should be a really good item to use while boondocking since it only runs on USB power. All right, there it is, the Evapolar. This model is the Eva Smart. They gave us the option to review any of the products of theirs that we wanted, and we picked this one because it has Wi-Fi or connectivity. Basically, it's smart. It's a smart device. So we'll get this thing unboxed and check it out. So right away, to me, this looks like it's going to be very similar to what you might see in a swamp cooler or any other type of evaporative coolers, which makes sense right there in the name, Evapolar. The cartridge material, though, is what they are kind of known for. It's called EvaBreeze 2.0. It's very porous. It has an intense absorption for stronger cooling. It's 100% natural basalt fiber. There's no chemicals, colors, or bleach. It's supposed to be bacteria resistant and hypoallergenic and fragrance free. And they have a little QR code here on the box if you want to learn more about this material and technology that they use in the device. But again, this is the Evapolar Eva Smart Personal Air Cooler EV3000. Okay, here we go again. I just want to go over a couple of the capabilities. Cools, humidifies, purifies the air, LED light built in. It's small enough to be portable, energy efficient, only consumes 12.5 watts. Compatible with smart home devices like Google Home or Amazon Echo, and it has its own mobile app. So I'll get that downloaded and we'll check it out. There's the product guide. Set that aside. I want to read through that before we get going with anything. 18-month warranty, and when you register your device within 14 days of purchase, you get a 50% discount on a replacement cartridge. There's the unit itself. It's going to come with some stickers. Last in the box, the power cable. So here's the box, and it is standard USB on one end and USB-C on the other. So there you go. That is what's in the box of the Evapolar Eva Smart Personal Air Cooler EV3000. I'm going to get this thing put together, set up, and we'll start trying it out. Okay, so here's that Eva Smart again, just to give you kind of a reference on the size. It's made to be portable. not super huge. I think this is going to go great right up on the shelf in our bedroom. I'm really looking forward. I want to try this out tonight to cool the bedroom down. It's kind of a sleek little unit. Obviously I want to, see how quietly it runs and things like that, but there's going to be your water reservoir. So it is, I did mention it's a humidifier and uses evaporative technology to do the cooling. I'm going to get this inside and get it set up, and then we'll check it out. All right, so here I am again with the Evapolar evaSMART unit. For a personal space, like air cooler, this thing is pretty cool. Right now, I'm bringing in 76-degree air, and it's putting out 58-degree air. That's almost 20-degree difference. Is this thing going to replace your rooftop air conditioner in your bedroom? No, but that's not what it's for. It's for cooling an area where you're at that time. The control panel is really easy to use. I'm just adjusting some of the settings here. It's really easy to manipulate. I prefer the app. The app is really good. Turn the light out here so you can see kind of the ambient glow on the device. If you prefer to have a night light on, and you can set it to whatever colors you like. The air coming out is 20 degrees cooler than the air going in, so for small spaces, I've really enjoyed having this thing. So this Eva Smart unit you can find on Amazon and on their website. And they have 3 different models. This is the Eva Smart. It's kind of the top of the line, little personal air cooler. And that's because it has the Wi-Fi built in and the app connectivity. And I found that really, really useful. One of the other things I really liked about this unit is the low power consumption. I mean, it runs on USB-C. If you're boondocking, you're trying to conserve water, conserve power, it does use a little bit of water in the reservoir to do the cooling. So, that's a consideration. But it uses very little power. Very little is still some, so in a boondocking situation, you want to take that into account. But it uses so little power, it can even run off a battery bank. So you don't even have to be plugged in. You could have a charged up battery bank, or run this off, one of your little Jackery devices, or a personal generator, whatever. There's your intake fan. Water reservoir, refill there. The entire reservoir lifts out as well. It's really not that loud, and it doesn't take up a lot of space. Combine that with the fact that it doesn't use a whole lot of power, and it's a pretty good solution for a small space to cool. So when Billy was editing video at her desk, she really appreciated having some cool air blowing right on her without having to turn the air conditioners on while we're boondocking. And we're going to have lots of opportunities to kind of use this thing as we boondock and just need some cool air every now and then.
Well, thanks for coming along and checking out this product review. I know it's not like our normal videos, but we thought this company asked us if we would check it out, and we thought, sure, we boondock a lot, so maybe it's something we could use. So yeah, we had no problem with checking it out for them. Let us know down below, is this something you guys think you would be interested in? We'd love to hear from you guys what you think, how you might use it, or how we should use it. Please leave a comment whether or not you like product reviews, or whether or not you'd rather just see regular RV travel videos. Until next time, safe travels. Take care.
See you out there.